Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with immediate checks. Open Settings Battery and note which apps or system services show the highest percentage. This tells you where to focus. Once done, update Play Store apps and the Android system. Outdated code often leaks power. Next, reboot the phone and briefly enter safe mode to see if drain stops. If it does, a third-party app is likely guilty. Make sure to record before versus after battery percentages so changes are measurable. Now you take deeper actions. Force stop or uninstall apps identified earlier, and clear cache or data for misbehaving apps because corrupted caches can cause wake locks. Next, reset network settings and toggle Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location. Persistent scans or rogue Bluetooth devices can keep radios awake. Then, apply battery optimization and put heavy apps into standby. Reduce sync frequency for email and social apps. Make sure to monitor. Finish by applying final remedies. If software fixes fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset, then reinstall apps selectively to isolate the culprit. If battery life still plummets or the phone heats under light use, suspect hardware, get the battery tested or replaced. If problems persist, capture an ADB bug report or battery stats and contact OEM support. These logs show kernels and wake locks. One troubleshooting tip: try a different charger and cable to rule out charging circuitry causing apparent drain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.